Hey friends, if you wish to fix Microsoft OneDrive personal vault error with the error code 0x80070490 on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, it's quite a common error and almost most people are facing it. So right click on the OneDrive icon, select settings, click on the download pointing arrow associated with pause syncing, quit OneDrive, quit it, let the icon disappear. Search for OneDrive once again and then open it. It will need a while to sync the files depending upon the speed of your internet. And once it does, you will notice that the cross home personal vault is gone and it's fixed. But if it does not, then here's what you can do. You can reset OneDrive. Now I have a command for you in the description section of the video. All you need to do is search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, run as administrator, paste it and hit enter. Or press Windows plus R, paste it and hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.